Hi everyone, this is Nato from Perfecto's DA team. Today I'll show you how to integrate Perfecto Quantum in Azure pipelines. Okay, here we are in my Azure DevOps portal. I'll start by selecting a new project. I'll give it a name. And I'll set it as private. After the successful creation of the project, I get automatically directed to the pipelines. Here, I can start by building my pipeline by clicking GitHub, as this is where my code is. I get prompted for my credentials and I click Sign In. I select the repository I would like to integrate with Azure pipelines. I approve and install the needed apps. Azure automatically generates the YAML file for me. A snippet of my YAML file you can find in the article I've posted. After I'm sure the YAML file that's being generated is fine, or I have made the needed changes, I simply click Run. I wait for it, and I already see that it's running. And we're done. Thank you everyone for joining this session. Have a nice day and happy testing.